Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mapbox for route planning inside a no-code app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Mapbox account at mapbox.com. Once your account is set up, log in to the Mapbox dashboard. Navigate to the Access Tokens section in the dashboard. Generate a new access token by clicking on Create a Token. Copy the access token for use in your no-code app. Now, head to your no-code app platform of choice. Locate the section where you can integrate external APIs. Find the option to add a new API and paste your Mapbox access token. Next, create a new route planning page within your app. Add a map component to this page using your no-code app features. Link the Mapbox API to the map component by entering the API link. Set the initial coordinates for your map, typically using latitude and longitude. Incorporate a routing function by accessing the Mapbox Directions API. Construct a request to the Directions API using the starting and ending points. Specify the transportation mode, such as driving, walking, or cycling. Integrate the API response to display the calculated route on the map. Ensure that users can input their starting and ending locations. Add input fields for users to enter these locations. Implement a button to trigger the route calculation when clicked. Use event handlers to link the button press with the Directions API call. Style your map and route for better visibility and user experience. Test your app to ensure that the route planning feature works seamlessly. Confirm that all inputs and displayed routes update correctly. Once everything appears functional, save your project. Publish or export your finished app to make it accessible to users. Congratulations! Your no-code app is now set up for route planning using Mapbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.